Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to fix could not create the Java virtual machine error in your computer. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. First, what you have to do is you have to check Java version in your computer. So to do that, go to search bar here and type for command prompt. This is the command prompt in your computer. Just tap on it. Then what you have to do is you have to type Java space and dash version and hit enter. Now you can see in my computer it is in Java version 21 and Java is installed successfully. So if you don't get this kind of message in your computer, that means your Java is not installed in your computer. So I will show you how to install that one in later. So first you have to check this one. Then after, what you have to do is you have to increase system memory for Java. To increase your system memory, you have to set the environment variables. To do that, go to search bar and search for environment variables. Environment, this one. Edit the system environment variables, just tap on it, and in here you can see environment variable in bottom here, just tap on it. Okay, you have two type of variables. First one is user variables and second one is system variables. In under the system variable, you have to click on new and you have to set the variable name as Java options. It is like this. Alright, now you have to set the value as dash x simple m x 512 capital M. Okay, now you have to tap on OK. Okay, now your memory for Java is increased. So then after you have to tap on OK and OK here. So this is method number 2. If both methods are not worked, you have to run the Java as administrator. That means this error is usually happen when you run the application. So what you have to do is you have to right click on that application and there is option called run as administrator. Just tap on it, then it will be run in the administrative permissions. So it also be help to resolve that error. And those every method will be not work, you have to reinstall the Java. To do that, before you have to uninstall current Java. So to do that, go to search bar here, tap on control panel, this one, just tap on it. Then go to programs and programs here and go to programs and features. Check the Java in this menu, scroll down. Yeah, you can see I have 3 versions in this computer. You have to uninstall each one from this menu. After uninstalled Java version, you have to restart your computer by just go to start menu, power and restart. Then after you have to reinstall the Java. To do that, you have to re-download the Java from internet. So go to your browser and in the address bar you have to type Java download and hit enter. You can see the first option www.java.com. click on it. Okay, now you are in Java website. There is option called download here, just tap on it. Okay, now scroll down a little bit, then you will see download Java option, just tap on it and you can see now Java is downloaded. I'm not going to download it now. After downloading, you need to just install it as a normal installation. Then after, you have to again check the Java version using command prompt. Then you will understand your problem will be fixed. And sometimes your Java version will not be compatible with your application. So if that kind of situation, what you have to do is you have to search a suitable version for that application just using Google that one. So that also help to fix those issues. And yeah, those methods will be help to fix that issue. So follow those all the methods to resolve your problem. So I hope you gain some information from this video. If you think this video is useful, please give a like and subscribe my channel.